Imagine sneezing and ending up in your neighbor's bathtub. Yeah, it's about to get that crazy. Picture this. You're at the breakfast table about to take a bite of cereal when suddenly, achoo, boom, you're now standing in your closet wearing your dog's sweater. Need to get to work? Good luck. One sneeze on the subway and you're in the janitor's closet. Another sneeze and poof, you're in the boss's office, explaining why you were wearing a bathrobe. Trying to impress someone special? Just sneeze. Nothing says romance like teleporting mid-dinner to the middle of a fountain. And don't even get me started on grocery shopping. One innocent sneeze in aisle 6 and BAM! You're in the freezer section contemplating life among the frozen peas. So next time you feel that tickle in your nose, just remember, your day's about to get a whole lot more interesting. Bless you and happy travels.